Hey guys, in this video I'm going to explain to you how you can basically select your seat on Frontier Airlines. So when you're basically booking your flight, right, they will give you a seat selection option. And what you can do is you can go ahead and pay the extra amount if you want to book a specific seat. There is a small additional charge. Also, what you can do is before your flight, right, when you're about to check in, you can go ahead and choose your seat then as well. Within 24 hours, they'll show you the available seats on the app. Okay, you need to download the Manage Your Trip app on the App Store or Google Play Store. Just go get the Frontier mobile app, and then you can go ahead and choose your seats that way within 24 hours. And it's really that easy and simple. So, I hope this guide provided value to you, and if it did, consider smashing that like button as well as subscribing to Frequently Asked Questions, and I'll see you guys in the next one.